Well, I think there's a couple of major pieces of software that is required to implement and operate a data mesh. I think first of all would be data catalogs, which are needed to discover what data is available in all the broad range of data sources that are out there that organizations need to get data from and to integrate data from. That would include internal data sources, both on premises and on multiple clouds, would include data in external data marketplaces, would also include streaming data coming in from the edge. We need to understand what data is available out there, and that's what data catalogs help do. Data catalogs also help to classify data, to label it, to understand what data is sensitive, for example, what data is maybe commercially sensitive, not necessarily personally sensitive. The reason for doing that is to be able to understand how to govern data. So if it's correctly labeled, then you can set policies for each of the labels that are defined. And so catalogs are very important in being able to automatically do that and also to automatically map data that's out there to something called business terms, business data names in what's called a business glossary. And that allows you to understand the meaning of the data that's out there. So that means catalogs help me to understand what data is available, what it means, and how to label it to know how to govern it. Those are three key areas. And once I have that, second important area is data fabric software, which is a software with the ability to utilize a data catalog so that people can understand what data is available to them and to allow collaborative development amongst people in a team and indeed across teams to work together to build pipelines to pick up the data that the catalog knows about and start to clean it and integrate it and build data products that can be trusted reusable data sets that can be published and shared around the enterprise.